You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. I truly appreciate it. This, strangely enough, is going to be my only true Christmas item video for 2021. Been a very strange year for sure. Didn't do any shopping this year. This just happened into my video booth and thought, well, you know what? Let me check them out at the same time. It's not worth doing two separate videos. I could have a nice hot cup of Nestle chocolate. And check this out. I'm pretty excited about these. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Peanut Brittle. Now, I'm a huge Peanut Brittle fan and also a Reese's fan. And when I saw those, I said, yeah, that I definitely have to put on video. So let's move this out of the way. I don't want to open those or try those till I check out this Elf on the Shelf mug set. Contains the mug, the cocoa mix, marshmallows, and spoon all in one. I thought that was pretty cool. I don't have anything like that in my collection, but I do now. There's all the information on the back. It's from Frankfurt. Microwave and dishwasher safe mug. I think, well, it's from 2020. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat it up in one of my little pots that I've got in the collection. But first, I want to see, are they recommending, I just want to know, are they recommending water? Because some people do make hot chocolate with water. I'll sometimes do that through one of those coffee machine things, you know, that you can kind of put the pot in, but just run the water through. So you have hot water quickly, and you don't have to worry about the stove or the microwave. So let's see what this recommends. I prefer milk, so I'll probably end up doing that. Let's see if they give you any instructions on the little mix. Check that out. That's a pretty cool mug. And then you get the spoon, which slides in there. That's pretty neat. A pack of Elf on the Shelf marshmallows. And then let's check out the hot chocolate here. Let's see what they recommend. Tear here to open. This is called the Mini Marshmallows Rich Chocolate Flavor Hot Cocoa Mix, made with real Nestle cocoa. Okay, here it is. Conventional preparation. Empty 1 envelope of hot cocoa mix into mug. Add 6 ounces hot water or milk while stirring. So you can do it in the microwave too. Let's just cook it right up here, so this way we can watch it cook. All right, so let me get some milk. 6 ounces. All right, I'm slightly perplexed because when I went to go wash the mug, I filled it up to see, and it's a 12-ounce mug. Why does it say only 6 ounces of liquid? Add 6 fluid ounces of hot water or milk. So it's half the cup. I found that very strange. I don't know why. Oh, let's get this going here. Let's start heating this up. So I did 12 ounces just so I had extra, and we'll see how it goes. But so basically, I will just put this in here. I'll heat it up, and then I'm going to put the chocolate in there and mix it in there as well, too, because that's the way I like to do it. I'm not going to put the powder in the cup. All right, so that's going. That'll be a slow process. Any idea, you think, why they would not let you make a 12-ounce cup of hot chocolate? Okay. Store in a cool, dry place. All right, mini marshmallows. I don't get it, but we'll just leave it at that. The mug is ready. Let me dry it. I had to, like I said, wash it. And then I'm going to grab, I'll tell you what, while that's heating up. Okay, that's good. All right, it's a nice little spoon, actually. It's a nice little ensemble, I think. I don't want to go, okay, that's high, so let's go halfway. It's already, I feel the heat. Let me grab my cutting board, a little tool. Let's check out the Reese's Peanut Brittle Cups. Very curious. Okay, I'm sensing that it's heating up pretty quick. Now, what I decided is to add a little more hot cocoa mix, so I can get a full 12-ounce cup. I can't believe it. So I brought some more off to the side. I'm just gonna mix it the way I like it. How's that sound? But we'll start in just a second here. I'm already seeing steam build up. Okay. Let's get the lid back on. It should heat up pretty quick. Let me get my scissors just so I'm ready. It feels like a full cocoa mix pack in regards to what I'm familiar with. Oh, and there's marshmallows. I feel it in the pack. Let me dump that in a little bowl. How's that? So we can look at it. All right. I might not be able to jump right into the Reese's because I'm sensing this is getting hot quickly. Let's just see how many little marshmallows are in there. Okay, there's some, not a ton. Oh, I hear it's fizzing. Okay, yeah, so there's some in there. Not a lot, but maybe a dozen? Do you hear it? Now, you could just put your finger in there and give it a little chew. It's getting warm. It's not hot, but warm. All right, so let's, I'll tell you what, let's just mix it up. I'm going to add this in, and I'll kind of double it with another hot cocoa mix that I have off to the side. And then I know I've got twice of what I need. I like it nice and chocolatey. I don't know about you. I'm going to go a little more. Okay. Let me turn the heat down now. I think we're hot enough. Look at that. Look at my little marshmallows. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on its lowest setting and just let that stay nice and warm till I get my chocolate out. That's looking good. Let's get the lid on it. And then I'll pour that, but let's just do a quick analysis of my peanut butter cups. I am really excited about these. You grab one of my little knives. Okay, dissecting candy. How long have I been dissecting candy? Years and years and years and years and years and years. So this is going to be interesting. They're called Miniature Reese's Peanut Butter Cups Peanut Brittle flavored cream with crunchy peanut butter. Now they show huge peanuts in there and then peanut brittles. I don't think we're going to get that. Peanut brittle, go nuts, it's the holidays. Either way, I'm still pretty excited about it. As peanut brittle is one of my favorite things. Ooh, I do like the wrapper. It's not shiny. It's kind of like a dull... I'm going to mix this one more time here. Hold on a second. I'm almost ready to drink it. I would put whipped cream on top too. Little whipped cream on top is always good, but I didn't bring it. Okay, all right, let's open some of these little guys here. Are you curious? I'm curious. Oh. When I touched it, it kind of had like an oily feeling on the wrapper. And the wrapper doesn't peel like a normal Reese's wrapper, so it looks like a white chocolate. I want to say it's slightly oily. I'm thinking that's because of the peanuts. But there's no chunky peanuts that I see like they show in that beautiful picture. Let's just open a few more. We'll keep a few there just for looks. Okay, I'm almost ready to pour my hot chocolate. In fact, let's do that now so I can get my marshmallows going. Okay. It's definitely hot and steamy. Ooh, I got a nice cutting board to put that on. Let's move this out of the way. We're done with this. Let's turn it off so we don't burn anything down. Here we go. Hot, steamy chocolate in my Elf on the Shelf. I'm sure a lot of you have been seeing some crazy videos that parents have been doing with their kids with the elf on the shelf. Some of it I agree with, some of it I don't. They'll like cut all the kids' clothes up and do all kinds of crazy things. Okay, I spilled a little droplet. So I think I don't want to say it's gotten out of hand, but it's gotten pretty silly. All right, let's get that spoon. Ooh, let's get our mini marshmallows in there. Ew, they sounded slightly stiff. Yeah, let's just dump them all in. Doesn't that look good? Okay, let's get back to this. Let me just mix this. I just want to try it. Grab a marshmallow or three. Good temperature. That's good. Very good. Let's dissect. Okay, so you see the cream. It looks like a regular Reese's cup. I'm going to actually cut this layer off just so I could see the inner. Yeah, so it looks just like regular Reese's peanut butter. It doesn't have the full taste though. I want to eat a whole one. So let me do that next. I want to hot clean my palate. Oh, so the little elf is the same on both sides of the cup. All right, here we go. I'm going to try a whole one just so I get the full effect. Okay. Does it taste like peanut brittle? A little bit. I would have loved to have seen some huge chunks in there. I know they're miniature, but you know what I mean. There is something crunchy in there. So it looks like there are little pieces of something crunchy. See that? That's like darker than the regular peanut butter. So, yep, there is. I just got a piece and I crunched it. So there's a third mouth sensation there. You know how you get the chocolate and you get the peanut butter inside, and then you get this little crispy. Look at this, listen. I like them. It's different because you're not getting the chocolate. Speaking of chocolate, now my marshmallows have beautifully melted. They're soft. And tasty. All right, I'm going to say overall, pretty good. Let me know what you think about the elf on the shelf. And if you've seen some of those crazy videos I've seen. Just some nutty stuff. I don't know. Never really wanted to scare my kids like that, because that's kind of what you're doing if the kid wakes up and all of his clothes are chopped up in pieces and the elf is sitting there with scissors in his hand. I don't know. Would you want to do that to your kids? Let me know. It is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups Peanut Brittle. I might as well eat the open ones. And my elf on the shelf mug gift set. And thanks for watching. I know it's been a strange year for everybody. Very strange Christmas this year. I just haven't wanted to go in the stores. I don't know why. Just haven't been feeling it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day. Wonderful Christmas when this video goes out. I think I'm going to put this one out December 24th, Christmas Eve day. How's that sound? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day with your family. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.